Spring is here. Let's dance. Let's meet. I know, guys, there's been big storms over there, lots of rain. This winter has been tough and heavy. So many changes have been happening. And speaking with a few of you, really hearing you, and I know my own experience as well. Times that bring change and facing deeper wounds or patterns, but also that give the possibility to move and to experience new ways. Sometimes with effort, sometimes with staying put, sometimes with surrender, sometimes with just ease. And it's spring equinox today. Spring is coming, finally, and time to shake off the dust and have a proper spring clean. Like this body, this house needs a good spring clean, and nothing best for that than movement. So I'm looking forward to dance with you guys again very soon. Come back to this beautiful dance tribe in Aljezur and surroundings, and there's a few opportunities to dance with me and to dance with us, with this community, next Friday, 28th of March, at Mashuma Dome, where I held the last dance in January, so between Aljezur and Marmalit. And this is an evening that anyone is free to come, so come along, share, bring your friends. And it's also part of the weekend. So Saturday and Sunday, the whole day, we'll be at that same dome at Mashuma, and where we'll be spending the weekend dancing together, which is such a beautiful gift. And the intention is to dance for yourself, to give that dance of movement, that gift of movement, and also to expand your movement. And how can you feel more at ease in your own dance alone, but also with the other, and dancing with the other in many different elements and energies and music and quality and vulnerability, in fire, in support. And how can we explore this that we feel authentic and free to be all that we are, and ask for support and receive support, and remind ourselves of so many different potentials. And sometimes we're in our own bubble of what life is, our life, what it means, and so on. And just by being in a dance space, even dancing together with other bodies, there's something that happens, and you know you're not alone. Or you see someone else's movement, or you feel their energy, and it's like, oh, I can relax into this. I know I'm supported. Or I get some excitement, or I can finally be held in all of this and don't have to figure it out all alone. So it's powerful. It's a powerful thing. And reminder of the power of this community and of these dances, and how safe and brave and fun they are. So I'm looking forward for that. And then Tuesday, 1st of April at the Magical Valley, which is a yurt you know. And I'm going to be there on Tuesday, 1st of April. And I'm going to be there in the evening. And this is the sign. It's the doorbell. It's a sign. come and join. So I'm looking forward for you to dance, and for us to dance together and celebrate this spring. Sending much love.